Damn, everything in the Bible is coming true. The days grow darker. The sun don't come up until after 7 o'clock. Maybe it's not daylight savings. Because around about 5 or 6 o'clock, it start getting right back dark hella fast. Well, we are kind of near Alaska. Nah. In Alaska, the sun be up for about 30 days, and then it be gone for 30 days. Nah. That's how I know the world ain't fucking turning in a complete, like, direct circle. That would make me go crazy. The sun is just up. I'd love to see the view, but damn. When is it gonna go down? The sun's gone for about 30 days? I will be so fucking mad. I'm not going to Alaska. I did kind of want to go. My allergies start acting up all over. I need fucking traces. Take my ass to sleep. Fuck. I hate drinking soda. I need some more juice. I'm not touching that Minute Maid. Somebody probably spit in it. This niggas is disgusting. Devil slime type head ass. Soda. They didn't give me my food stamps and shit. Bitch, I'm not employed. The fuck is going? Even when I wasn't getting more than $1,000. Evil head ass niggas. A couple of them people up there did say that they don't like God. Come on, man. You fucking with my benefits, bro? Oh yeah, I'm walking around with my Jesus piece on. Jesus walk for me. And we're bringing it back, though. I have no choice. Back in this cold ass fucking. It's crazy. Good night, y'all. Well, good morning.